The center has put out guidelines for states on enforcing lockdowns and containment zones in order to flatten the curve amid spiraling COVID 19 cases. The rules say it is time for such restrictions when the positivity rate is 10% or for a week or more for a week and more than 60% hospital beds are occupied. States have been urged to go for an intensive local and focused containment network focused on districts, cities, and areas based on criteria specified by the Home Ministry. Where or when to go for a lockdown or what the Home Ministry calls a large containment zone has to be evidence based and done after analysis based on population affected, the geographical spread, hospital infrastructure, workforce, and the ease of enforcing boundaries, Home Ministry note says. All medical personnel who retired from the armed forces in the last 2 years will be recalled and deployed at COVID facilities near their homes. Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat has told Prime Minister Narendra Modi today, briefing the Prime Minister about preparations made by the armed forces to help in the country's war against virus. General Rawat said oxygen cylinders available with the military will be diverted to the hospitals that desperately need the life-saving gas amid the rapid second wave of COVID infections. Other retired medical officers have also been asked to provide consultations through emergency helplines, according to a government statement. General Rawat told PM Modi that all medical officers on staff appointments at the military headquarters will be deployed at hospitals to support the overburdened health workers. Nursing staff will also be deployed to help doctors. Karnataka has announced a 2-week lockdown from tomorrow, a day after reporting the biggest rise of over 34,000 new cases in 24 hours. COVID curfew will be implemented in the state from tomorrow 9 pm for the next 14 days, Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa said, using the phrase close down. Essential services will be allowed between 6 am and 10 am and shops will close after that. There will be no public transport during the curfew. Only construction, manufacturing and agricultural sector are allowed to work. Travel within the state and to other states will also not be allowed except for emergencies. The Chief Minister said that government hospitals would provide free vaccination for those between 18 and 44 years. The centre has also announced that those over 45 will be given shots free of cost. Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana lodged a police complaint on Monday afternoon after a Twitter account bearing his name was found posting fake messages on the social media platform. Sworn in on Saturday, the Chief Justice does not have a Twitter or any other social media account. The tweet from the handle @NV Ramanna has been deleted and the account has been suspended. The deleted tweet read, "Due to Ajit Doval's diplomacy, the US decided to supply raw materials to India, #vaccination, @PMO India." The reference was to a late Sunday night announcement from the United States. President Joe Biden said he would immediately make available sources of raw materials required to scale up production of Covishield coronavirus vaccine in India. Active cases in ongoing second COVID-19 wave in India may peak at 38 to 48 lakh between May 14 to 18th and daily new infections could hit a high of 4.4 lakh from May 4th to 8th, according to a mathematical model by IIT scientists who have revised their projections upwards. India on Monday saw a single-day rise of more than 3,52,000 COVID-19 infections and more than 2,800 fatalities, with more than 28,13,000 active cases. The scientists from Indian Institute of Technology in Kanpur and Hyderabad applied the susceptible, undetected, tested positive and removed approach, which is also known as Sutra, to predict that active cases could go up further by over 10 lakh by mid-May. The latest projection tweaks the time frame as well as the numbers. Last week, the researchers predicted the pandemic may peak between May 11th to 15th with 33 to 35 lakh total active cases and decline steeply by the end of the May. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.